In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Trello board as a tab in Microsoft Teams. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to teams.microsoft.com. Once the page loads, sign in if needed and let your Teams workspace fully open. It's a good idea to wait until everything finishes loading so the menus and tabs appear correctly. This helps avoid small issues like buttons not responding right away. When you're inside Microsoft Teams, move to the group communication space where you want to place the Trello board. This could be a specific group chat, a team channel, or another shared conversation area, depending on how your workspace is organized. The key here is to open the exact thread or channel panel where the tracking board should live, because the tab will be added specifically to that location. Taking a moment to confirm you're in the right place can save you from needing to move or recreate it later. Next, look across the top menu area of that chat or channel. You should see a plus sign, which is the Add a Tab button. Click that symbol to open the app selection window. This is where Teams lets you attach useful tools and services directly into the conversation space so your group can access them without switching between platforms. In the app selector that appears, find the search bar and type in Trello. As you type, Teams will filter the available apps. When you see the Trello application card appear, click on it to continue. Make sure you choose the correct app from the results so you connect the right service. After that, you'll be asked to authenticate your Trello profile. Follow the sign-in prompts and approve access if required. This step connects Teams with your Trello account so the board can be displayed inside the tab. Once you're signed in, choose the project board you want to use from the available options. Pick the one that matches the work being managed in that chat or channel, since this will make collaboration much smoother for everyone involved. Finally, click Save. Teams will then add the selected Trello board as a tab in that conversation space. After it appears, your group can open it directly from the top of the chat or channel whenever they need to review tasks, track progress, or stay aligned on project updates. That's it. You've successfully added Trello to Microsoft Teams in the exact place your team needs it most.